Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet ladies sweater designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet ladies sweater is a handmade sweater created using crochet techniques and a stage of knitting. It is made with a hook and yarn. Building the fabric stitch by stitch. Crochet sweaters come in many styles, from light and airy to warm and cozy. Key features of a crochet sweater made with a crochet hook and a stage of knitting needles. Thicker and textured stitches like single crochet, double crochet, shell stitch, granny stitch, etc. Can be made for women, men, kids, babies, or even pets. Can be cardigans, pullovers, oversized sweaters, crop sweaters, long sweaters, etc. Uses: keeps you warm in winter, stylish handmade fashion, popular for gifting, selling. Why people love crochet sweaters: customizable, color, size, and style, handmade and unique. The two pieces are exactly the same, fun to make for crochet lovers. Here are some helpful tips for making a crochet sweater, whether you are a beginner or already experienced. Tips for making a crochet sweater. First, choose the right yarn. Use soft medium weight yarn like 3 or 4 weight for beginners. Cotton for summer sweaters, acrylic or wool for winter sweaters. Avoid very thin yarn at first. It takes longer and is harder to control. Pick an easy pattern. Begin with simple rectangle sweaters, raglan sweaters, granny square sweaters. These are easier and don't need much shaping. Take accurate body measurements. Important parts: bust size, shoulder width, sleeve length, sweater length. This ensures the perfect fit. Make a gauze dot. Crochet a small 10 into 10 cm, 4 into 4 inches square to thick. Are your stitches too tight or loose? Do you need to change hook size? Please avoid size mistakes. Use the correct hook size. Always follow the pattern but try larger hook equal looser, softer fabric. Smaller hook equal tighter, warmer fabric. Crochet in sections. Most sweaters are made in parts: front panel, back panel, sleeves, collar or neck band. Work on section at a time for neat finishing. Block your pieces. Gently steam or wet block the panels to make them smooth, even, professional looking. Sew neatly. Use a tapestry needle and mattress stitches for clean shims. Add finishing touches: buttons, ribbed cuffs, ribbed hem, decorative borders. This make the sweater look premium. Be patient. Sweaters take time, don't rush. Work slowly and enjoy the process. More crochet sweater tips. Choose stitches that suit the design. Some stitches are great for sweaters. Half double crochet for soft, stretchy, perfect for wearables. Double crochet for lightweight and quick to make. Linked double crochet, no gaps, ideal for warm sweaters. Ribbing stitches, front back post, perfect for cuffs and hems. Avoid very open lace stitches for winter sweaters, unless layered. your tension consistent. Your sweater may look uneven with tension changes. Try crocheting at the steady speed, taking breaks if your hands become tight. Practicing a beat before starting the main beat. Use stitch markers, especially important for armhole shaping, slip decreases or increases, keeping track of rows, neck shaping. They help you avoid mistakes. Check the fit while making it, punch and measure your work against the body or a shirt, wide armhole tip length that prevents the sweater from becoming too big or too small. Choose a neckline style before starting. Common necklines: round, V-neck, boat neck, turtleneck, square neck. This helps you plan shaping properly. Make ribbing separately for a better look. Crochet cups, bottom hem, or collar ribbing separately, and then adjust it. This gives a professional, stressy finish. Use high-quality tools. A comfortable ergonomic hook reduces pain. Good scissors and a blunt tapestry needle make finishing easier. Add a tag label. If you sell or gift your sweaters, add a handmade tag, care instructions. It makes your product look premium. Weaving ends securely. Weave yarn tails in 3 directions so they don't come loose when washing. Wash and block the finished sweater. Use gently soap and flat dry. The softness the fabric and enhances drops. Choose the right color. Light colors show stitches clearly. Dark color hide mistakes, but are harder to work with. Add decorative edge. Try pecan edging, shell edging, curved stitch border. Great for women's and kids' sweater. Store your sweater properly. Never hang crochet sweaters, they stress. Always fold and store flat. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!